Good morning! It's breakfast time again, and you know what my breakfast for today? I made a oatmeal champurrado. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng ito o yung ano ba yun? Strawberry, sliced banana, at saka raisins. Ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng raisins kasi gusto ko yung raisins para at the same time tumamis yung sa aking oatmeal kasi walang sugar ito except the chocolate powder na inilagay ko. And of course, mayroon akong coffee. Ayan, hindi ako nawawala ng kape. Coffee is not, a breakfast is not complete without a cup of coffee. At saka ito ang sa aking source ng protein ay hard-boiled egg. So that is my breakfast today. I'm not eating bread today kasi meron naman akong oatmeal na source ng carbohydrates. Kaya complete meal na din ito kasi may carbohydrates, may fruits, may calcium because of the milk, and then my protein because of the egg. Okay, so that is my breakfast today. Okay, thanks for watching my short video. Bye.